How to add friends in Steam. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add your friends on Steam. So first just head over to your Steam application or your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Now simply tap on this friends section at the navigation bar and just click on this add a friend button over here. So there are three ways to add a friend in Steam. So first method is you actually know, if you know the friend code, you can simply copy that particular code over here just like this. So in this case I'm showing my own, so this is my one profile, but if you know your friend code, you can simply paste it over here and just click on the send invite button over here to actually send the invitation. And another way you can do is you can simply copy this quick invite link to invite your friend to be your friend, and you can also search your friend's name if you know their name just like this, and simply send them the friend request after searching or locating them. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.